Home Assistant is an open-source home automation platform built with Python and powered by a fast, lightweight architecture. It runs locally on devices like a Raspberry Pi, virtual machine, or dedicated server, ensuring low latency and complete privacy for your smart home data. Home Assistant integrates over 1,000 devices and services through APIs, protocols like MQTT, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and integrations with platforms such as Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. With its YAML-based configuration, users can define complex automations, scripts, and scenes to connect devices and respond to conditions like time of day, sensor states, or user presence. Its customizable Lovelace UI lets you design dynamic dashboards to visualize sensor data, control devices, and monitor your entire home at a glance. Home Assistant's event-driven core efficiently handles automations, whether it's adjusting thermostats based on weather forecasts, sending notifications when motion is detected, or creating advanced security routines. Thanks to its active developer community, Home Assistant continuously evolves, adding support for new integrations, improving performance, and expanding its ecosystem with features like Assist, which enables natural language voice commands. Whether you're managing a few smart bulbs or orchestrating a fully connected home, Home Assistant provides a flexible, private, and powerful solution to make your smart home truly intelligent and customized to your needs.